That means no. It's summertime here in Kansas City. It's hot. It's like 95 degrees out right now. We thought this is a perfect opportunity to kick off one of our next fun series called the KC Challenge series. So basically, it's us challenging each other. We'll be going to restaurants, event spaces, doing silly little challenges at the local parks, local gyms and stuff like that. So, are you guys excited? All right, Toby doesn't have his seatbelt on. That's why you hear that beep in the background.
I'm just trying to vlog, man.
We need to change that name, KC Challenge.
Yeah, we can do it. We can do whatever.
We're changing the name, Toby.
What's the name?
I don't know.
Okay.
That's
KC Summer Challenge. What's wrong with that?
KC Summer Challenge.
Boring.
Featuring.
Let's go get some slush.
You wanted to get a small, dude. Come
Alright,
on.
what size do you guys want?
Don't be a
we have to
loser.
go large?
Dude, that's not that bad.
That's a ton.
I think we should get this.
Alright.
I mean, just it's a challenge.
Then you
Your
can see
funeral.
it too.
Unsatisfied.
Yeah, there you go.
Already losing.
Oh. Come on, Bobby. Hi guys, it's summertime, it's hot, it's like 95 degrees right now. I'm not buckled. Kids, buckle up before you drive. And cut to me. Buckle.
Wow.
Thought it'd be super fun to see who could go get a big old slushie from the 7-Eleven down the street and chug it and win the competition. So you guys know what a brain freeze is, right? So hopefully we'll be avoiding these. I actually have a secret trick. I know how to avoid brain freezes. It's a secret.
The stupid thumb on the mouth.
Shut up, shut up.
Okay.
That's not it. We've got the slushies, we've got the men, now we've got the rules. Rules are whoever finishes their slushie first wins.
If you win the challenge, you get to choose the challenge for next week. Loser gets a punishment, and it changes every time, but this time it's execution from firing squad via spitball.
Kev, you ready? Alright, let's do this. Whoever can finish first, we know the rules, they pick the challenge next week. Whoever loses gets death by spitball, so are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Ready?
Kevin's
set.
Wait,
I'm good on quad.
let's go.
Oh. No, I think
Holy crap.
he's gonna win.
Brain freeze. Stop pretending like you got brains, bro.
That's hard. I think I'm like an ox or something.
Wow. You're gonna have to scoop it out. You're gonna have to eat the bottom. Yes. Yes.
Oh, it's in the final lap.
Final leg breaker.
Oh, you gotta chop it.
Dude.
Oh my
God.
God. Hey, next is the spicy
Dude, finish it off. Get on a knee and finish it off.
Hey, let's
Here we go, Kevin. Yeah. And that's warm and hot.
What did the recruiter ask? This is a test shot.
Just external.
Toby, this is a test shot.
What's a test shot? No test shots.
Let's walk him out. Alright, see you later. This is a production. I'm going on your cheek if you're going to hide your chin. Alright guys, so that was our first KC Summer Challenge. It was our slushie challenge. My head still hurts. Kevin crushed it. Kevin
It's easy, man.
It's the big head.
I'm hot inside.
He's hot inside. Alex, close second to last.
One third.
But not quite last. Toby, if you can turn the camera around on yourself so we can see that losing face. You have any marks on your face from those?
No.
Check us out next week. We're going to play b-ball. Kevin won, so we're gonna do a little probably
2-on-2.
2-on-2. 2-on-2 it is, and we'll let you guys know what the loser gets. All right, so next week check us out, guys. Casey Challenge, b-ball. We're hitting the courts. Anyway, guys, see ya.